There you are. We thought we lost you, little one. You're standing in the entryway to the cosmic clock. I need your assistance in repairing the mechanisms of the cosmic clock. Because the mechanics in one zone can affect another, you won't have access to other zones until some of the repairs are underway.